facility.
Ndege mar kambi mar ndeke ma Gulf Air ma piny Bahrain kawuono piyo kuom thuolo mokwongo e alap mar ndeke ma Jomo Kenyatta nyaka ne kum wuodhe ne mabiro e pacho ka e higa 2022. Kanoloso wach makamano, jataa tije mar Gulf Air Geoffrey Go nowacho ni okang' makamano nyiso dongruok e wuodhe mag ndeke mag Gulf Air. Olero ni wuoth makamano geto miyo jopinje ariyogo thuolo malach mar bero uchumi kokalo kuom yawo thuolo mar chirni manyien ma oko kod bero sekta malimbe.
This marks Gulf Air's official arrival into East Africa. This new route, direct route, is not only a direct route for passengers, as mentioned earlier. It's a bridge between the Arabian Gulf and the African continent. It enables easier travel, it creates business opportunities, and also it enables deeper cultural exchange between the two countries and the two nations.
Welcome to Nairobi, welcome to JKIA, and welcome to this new exciting chapter in our shared journey. Your decision to reconnect Nairobi and Bahrain through this new route is a testament to the growing importance of Kenya as a regional hub and the expanding opportunities for trade, tourism, and cultural exchange between these two great nations.